Guess we're gonna do this, a little makeup tutorial from me. Don't judge me, I am not a professional. That's for certain. I am no Michaela. So, Too Faced lip injection gloss, because I ain't got no lips. I already put my moisturizing sunscreen on. For my foundation, I use L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear in 411. I don't like putting foundation on with a brush. I just don't. It looks like it smears on my face. Maybe I'm probably putting it on wrong, honestly. I could be like Caroline Collins and just rub it in. I used to do that. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, I like expensive makeup too, but sometimes the drugstore is just as good, honestly. I've tried it all. So L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour full wear concealer. What shade is this? 325 Eggshell. And I don't do like a lot of concealer because my face gets funny looking when I do. I don't know. I just can't use a whole lot of concealer. I do want to get like really fast at doing makeup like Caroline Collins though. Oh my gosh, it's incredible. She does it in like 10 minutes. Hair and makeup. It takes me half an hour just to do my makeup. Use the Coty Airspun loose powder. I am going to invest in a different powder once this is out, or maybe before that. So tell me your powder recommendations. No, I just go in my T-zone with the powder. And this is really going to throw people off. Totally get it. I go in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Powder Foundation in 130 Beige. We had to contour them cheeks, baby, so we look chiseled, okay? We ain't, but we gonna look it. So, I use the NYX. It's a highlight and contour palette. I don't know about y'all. I have not ventured out and done the creams. I don't know. I'm just a super oily girl, and my brain just can't think about putting cream on my face. I don't know. I did try like the liquid highlighters. No, babe. No, babe. I spent $30 on that and it was a waste. Okay? Give myself a little button nose. Make her look skinny mini. She is snatched. Now I want some more warmth, so I'm going to use the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer in Deep Bronzer. I want to look sun-kissed, even though I rarely go outside. A little vitamin D deficiency over here. Blend it down your neck. Blend it. I need to do this more often. I usually get that cake face with a white neck. That's my signature look. And blush, this one is Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink. Yes, my makeup is a little dirty. Again, don't judge me. Just go up a little higher, and then I put my contour. Add a little blush to my nose, my forehead, and a little on my chin. I think I heard Michaela say that's called melting. Did I hear that? Did I make it up? I don't know. But my favorite palette is Revolution Pro New Neutral. Yeah, I love this, but I've used the crap out of this. This one is Glamour and Magic. That's what I used to use. It's out. But if you have this, use Glamour. Because I'm out, I'm going to use my Stone Cold Fox ColourPop palette. Like, I couldn't even get the word out. I mix two colors. I mix Cory Days and Bold Type. And I just put that in my crease in the outer corner and blend it out. Now that I have it blended out, I go in with Rock Bottom for my ColourPop palette. And I just apply this dark shade, it's basically black, to the outer corner. The outer V area, if you will. And it's going to look rough at first, but then we blend it out. Told you she looks a little rough. Now I go in with Cory Days in the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette and just blend out the edges. And in here too. Just diffuse it out so it's not so harsh. Little eyeliner, top and bottom. I don't care if you say it makes me look older. I'ma still do it. Y'all got me distracted and I skipped a part, the best part, the glitter. So I go in with the Stila Kitten Karma, just in this inner corner, and apply the beautiful glitter before the top eyeliner. I did the bottom one already. I skipped ahead. I'm practically out of this glitter and I'm about to lose it. It's Bling Bling Eye Glitter from e.l.f. And I just apply that over the Kitten Karma. It's basically just like silver chunky glitter. Why do I mix glitters? I don't know. I just think it looks good. Do I need another reason? Now, top liner. Listen, I'm no wing expert, but I do try to do just like a little baby wing. Little baby. That's terrible. And I tried so many mascaras, but Lash Princess by Essence, the volume one, it's my fave. Everything else that I tried, it just flakes on my face during the day. I'm throwing these brows way back to 2016. I can't get behind the soap brows or the fluffy brows. Not my thing. Best part, Dollar General Makeup LA Colors Moisturizing Lip Gloss in Tickled Pink to finish off this cringe fest and to look like a glazed donut. Believe Beauty Highlighting Palette in On Cloud 9 from Dollar General.